On to business now. The government has withdrawn a proposal to charge 7 shillings per litre of fuel as a road maintenance levy. Roads Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen says that the government is exploring other ways of raising additional funding for road maintenance. Currently, motorists pay for road maintenance.
The Roads Ministry estimates it needs an urgent 37 billion shillings to repair roads affected by the recent floods. The amount is part of 157 billion shillings the government needs to repair 3 kilometers of roads that it says are in dire condition. Roads Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen says the government is contemplating reorganizing tax levied on petroleum products to raise the amount needed for roads repair to cushion Kenyans from high fuel prices.
How do we increase the 7 shillings without increasing 7 shillings at the pump? How is that possible? The day we announce 7 shillings increase, how do we ensure that the people of Kenya do not receive a direct 7 shillings increase at the pump? And the people of Kenya paid us to go and think.
Proposed levies matrix will not sail through. Government will be forced to degrade some tarmac roads to Maram to make them navigable.
If the levy doesn't materialize, unfortunately, we can't toll now a road until we maintain the roads. If the levy does not materialize, we will just simply have to do the minimum. A road that was tarmac, because now we are unable to, we can grade it to become Maram. You know, it's the basic option, so that then you take it to a level where you are able to maintain.
Murkomen adds that some roads will also remain undone, as the road ministry is grappling with the 165 billion shillings in pending bills.
Ours, we don't need Panadol. This ministry needs the amount of resources equivalent to if you are treating a patient able to deal with the problem.
The government estimates that the roads maintenance deficit will increase to 315 billion shillings in the next 3 years if no measures are taken to replenish the maintenance kitty. Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.